Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, we are going to play with Danessa Myricks Colorfix Glaze. I have it in one shade. I did a haul recently and I picked up color fixes in 3 different finishes. This is one of them. Now I'm dedicating one video per product because I'm going to do a look with it, and the colors that I got, you can kind of mix them together, you kind of can't, and I really want to show you, especially with this particular color, how you can get a really beautiful monochromatic look with it. So these are amazing. They're beautiful. Her color fixes comes in a different couple of finishes. There's a glaze finish, which is the glossy finish. There's a matte finish, which is a matte finish. There's a metallic finish that has like, it tends to have like glitter in it, or, you know, very metallic. She's got neons. She's got glazes, like just straight up glazes. Like she has a couple of shades, like a black color. I think it's called like oil slick or something like that. So this is the color I went with. Now I know these are new. I don't know if it was repackaged or what, but the ones that have like this little cute, looks like a diamond cap to it are new. I went with the color Cupcake. There were a ton of shades to pick one from. There was like nude, there was one called biscotti, there was one called macaroon. The Cupcake color just, I don't know, I just thought it was really pretty. And like I said, I wanted to get a color that I can use as blush, eyes, and lips. So this is it. All right, so these do come in like a squeezy tube. You're definitely going to want to cap it really good when you're done using it because you don't want it to dry out. But if it does dry out, you can get like a pin and kind of pop it and you should be good. So this is the color Cupcake. I guess let's do swatches and then we're going to come back and we're going to play with it, okay? All right, so here I have the Danessa Myricks Colorfix Glaze in the shade Cupcake. This is a very pretty color. It's like a pinky mauve. Actually, let me swatch it here for you guys, because it can be used for lips, eyes, and cheeks. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna swatch. So it's kind of a heavy swatch. Very, very pretty. And then I'm gonna blend it out. And you'll see that it kind of shears it out. So the color's not as intense, but that's the color, which I think is really beautiful. So let's play with this one. So the color's really pretty. And like I said, you're gonna have that like glossy finish. So that's what we're working with today. I'm going to get it. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Again, a little bit goes a long way with these. Now, when I got this, I'm not going to lie, I did put it on my lips because I was excited. And it's so funny because it's kind of close to my lip color. It's just slightly more pink, which I thought was really nice. So I guess first we'll start off with it as a blush. So I'm very curious to see how it looks. I'm just working off the back of my hand. I think I'm going to use my fingers today. This product does feel very emollient, so keep that in mind and definitely start off with just a little bit first and then kind of build up. So I'm getting this and I'm going to just start applying it to my cheek. And this is going to give me a really pretty like wash of color. These do have that glossy finish, so even if you're looking at this like for like say a blush or something, this is going to give you like that dewy nice look. They blend really nice. I'm not having any issues blending it out or anything. That's super pretty. Let me go on the other side. Now, I like this color a lot because as I'm looking at it and I kind of pull back, if you notice, like it's like I said, it's close to my lip color. So the colors of my face kind of, they're very harmonious. They go with each other. It's really pretty. I'm telling you, the color payoff on this is really nice. I know sometimes if I'm like really close, you can kind of see it, but I feel like when I pull back, you can really kind of see the colors like building. All right, so I'm going to take a little bit more. Now we're going to go straight for our eyelids. Now, I'm somebody that totally likes a monochromatic look. Like, I don't mind wearing one. I feel like it's one of those like easy, like you don't even have to think about it, like you're doing your makeup and you just use the color everywhere. And it's funny because in one of Danessa's videos, she was saying, what was it? She was like, you know, sometimes you're using a color and you don't know what lip color to use or blush color to use. She goes, just use it in all three areas. She goes, that's it. It's a no-brainer. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. So, her words. So I'm going to take this and I am going to apply it to my lids. This is a very, like, a very romantic pink, I think, in my opinion. So you see now how I'm putting it on my lids, and on my lids, it's the same color, but it's a little bit more intense. Again, easy no-brainer. You can use a brush, you can use a finger. I'm using my finger because sometimes I feel like I just get a little more control. And this particular color fix is going to be very glossy. So look. Now, if you go very heavy, I would imagine it would crease a lot. But from what I'm seeing, like, it's not bad, you know? And last but not least, let's put it on the lips. And then we'll go into sunlight to see it. This is very close to my lip color, so you may or may not see it that great, but let's see. And this is pretty full coverage. I have two-tone lips, so the outer part of my lips are darker. And this is actually going on, and it's a very even application. So let me put mascara on. I'll be right back. All right, so I came into like a window, overcast, of course. But this is the colors. So this is the color Cupcake as my blush, as my lips, and my eyeshadow. I threw on mascara because I definitely needed mascara. I'm going to come in close. Just want to show you the color payoff. Now, you're going to see some creasing in my eyelids because my eyes are hooded. So if I close my eyes and I put it on and then I, you know, open my eyes, my hood drops. So there's noticeable creasing, but I don't see it. Like if I'm looking at you straight ahead, you're not going to see it because my hood covers my eyes, but this is the look. Very pretty. All right, so that is the overall look. I like it. This is something that I would definitely use as like a, what is it? Like a monochromatic one. This is a true one and done product, hands down, because it's so versatile. I do like the color a lot. And it's funny because I know I always say, I'm like, I don't like pinks or whatever. Like certain pinks, like this pink, I feel like makes my brown eyes like really pop, and I like that. And it's very, I don't know, it's very like spring. It's very like romantic, which I like. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have these in other colors, the glaze ones, let me know what colors you have, because this is beautiful. I really like it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.